Send Sigterm with command line shortcut. I would like to be able to send the Sigterm signal with a command line shortcut, like I can send Sigint with Ctrl+C. I will read before about Ctrl+D, but that does not work here, nothing happened. I also read this so Sigterm with a keyboard shortcut. Is quit the signal I want to trigger? Is kill the signal I want to trigger? And very stupidly, how to input that / or U in my keyboard. I shall just type it then press enter.
No, Sigterm cannot be sent from the command line, as noted at this URL. See also this URL.
It's not entirely true that you can't send Sigterm from the command line. You can't send it from a keyboard shortcut, but you can send it from the command line. Based on the man page for kill, you are able to send a Sigterm to any process. You would accomplish this by finding your process in the process table, type PS, and then typing kill-15, PID. Here is a list of the keyboard shortcuts that you can use in a terminal to handle processes. Ctrl+C sends Sigint, which asks to interrupt a program but can be caught or ignored. Ctrl+Z sends Sites, which asks to pause a program but can be caught or ignored. This process can be resumed later. Ctrl+/ sends Sigquit, which is the same as Sigint except it also produces a core dump. Source 1 and Source 2.